Good morning, children. In this video, I am going to complete exercise 5.3 question number 15 and 16. So here is a question number 15. It says a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day. Means it is a penalty if he delays his work. That is, it is for first day. And for second day it is 250 rupees, and for the third day rupees 300, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. You can observe here, first day is 200, second day is 250, third day is 300, and so on. So what is the common difference? It is 50 rupees. Every day is increasing penalty. So rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty if he has delayed the work for 30 days? Means I have to, here we should be very careful. 30 days means whether I should find S30 or A30. How to recognize whether I should find S30 is asking total penalty paid for 30 days. So it is S30 clearly. Suppose if we ask penalty paid for 30th day, I already said you the cardinal numbers we use for nth term, first, second, third. So if it is for 30th day, then it is A30. But here he is asking how much money the contractor has to pay if he delays the work for 30 days. Means I have to find S30. Now let me start with the solution. So as you know here, the first day penalty was 200 rupees. So it is A1 is 200. For second day it is 250, and for third day it is 300. So clearly you can see that this forms an AP. So what is the common difference? 50. And number of days, he asked for 30 days penalty. So it is 30. So I should use SN, children, not AN. Remember, if I want to use AN, then I'll get the penalty for 30th day. But I want total penalty paid for 30 days. So I have to use SN formula. So Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S30 equals to 30 by 2. 2 into a is 200 plus 30 minus 1 into d is 50. 200 into 2 is 400. 30 minus 1 is 29 into 50. That is 1450 plus 400. That is 1850 into 15. So you get 27,750. So how much contractor pays for 30 days? Delay penalty for 30 days is 27,750 rupees he paid as a penalty for delaying his work. Next I move for the 16th question. Concentrate, children. A sum of rupees 700 is used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance. Means what? What is this 700? Is it yes or AN? It is SN. That is 700 rupees you have with you. You want to distribute this 700 rupees for 7 cash prizes. So what is the prizes amount given here? If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. So here we don't know what is the cash given for the first prize, second prize, third prize. But he has given that every prize we have to give 20 rupees less. Suppose, for example, I am taking, if for example first prize is 100 rupees, second prize will be 80, third prize will be 60, and so on. See, every next prize will reduce by 20 rupees. So this is S7 I can consider. Why I should consider S7? Because he has given 7 cash prizes. So I can find this I can consider as S7. Now observe here. So what he has given? Sum. Total amount you have, that is sum, that is S7, 700 rupees. Why it is 7? Because I have to give 7 cash prizes. So n equals to 7. So we don't know the first prize. So because I don't know first prize, let me consider it as x. Let the value of the first prize be A1, that is A equal to x. And the value of the second prize is A2, x minus 20. Why? According to question, 20 rupees less than the previous. Again for third prize, it is x minus 40. Again 20 rupees less than second prize. And so on. So what will be the common difference, children? Minus 20. You can observe here a2 minus a1. If I do x minus 20 minus x gets cancelled. So you will get minus 20 is the common difference. Now let me take Sn formula. So what is Sn? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute Sn as 700. N is 7 divided by 2. 2 into a, I don't know a, let it be x, plus n is 7 minus 1 into minus 20. So 2 into x is 2x. Bring this 7 by 2 to left side so that you can cancel with 700. So it reciprocates 2 by 7. 7 hundreds are 700. 100 into 2, 200 equals to 2x minus 6 into 20, that is 120. So bring minus 120 to left side, it becomes plus 120. 200 plus 120 is 320 equals to 2x. So x equals to 320 by 2. So x equal to 160. So what do you think this 160? The value of first prize. This is because I considered the first prize value is x. So the value of the first prize is 160. Second prize will be 20 less, that is 140. Third prize again 20 less, 120. And next 100, 80, 60, and the seventh prize will be 40. So this is amount distributed for 7 prizes with 700 rupees. Thank you, children.